Intro music fades out, calm, engaging voice. One of the biggest lies banks tell us is that our money grows in our bank accounts. The truth? While the numbers may grow thanks to interest, your money doesn't grow in real terms. With inflation soaring and bank interest lagging far behind, keeping cash in the bank is actually burning a hole in your pocket. In this video, we're going to reveal 6 assets that can stop the erosion of your wealth and help you create intergenerational wealth. Let's dive in. Music transitions softly, slightly more intense, informative. 1. God's money, gold, silver, and platinum. One of the reasons money has value is because it's meant to store value for the future. But today, governments keep printing more and more money to finance their deficits, and the dollars you hold may become worthless at any moment. This is why financial experts recommend investing in precious metals, things that are valuable, scarce, and can't be easily replicated. Gold, silver, and platinum are the top picks. These metals always rise in value, especially during times of high inflation. Before the 1950s, you could buy an ounce of gold for around $400. Fast forward to 2023, and that same ounce is worth over $2,000. In fact, experts predict gold could rise to $10,000 an ounce by 2032. So while your cash continues to lose value, gold keeps going up. And if you're wondering how to gain gold exposure without holding physical gold, consider gold ETFs. These give you returns based on the price of gold without the need to store it yourself. Music shifts to a steady, confident beat. Confident. 2. Industrial commodities. Precious metals aren't the only commodities that can protect you from inflation. Industrial commodities like silver, cobalt, nickel, and copper also play a huge role in our economy. For instance, the demand for cobalt has skyrocketed in recent years, driven by the electric vehicle boom. The price of cobalt went from $20,000 per ton in 2012 to over $40,000 per ton in 2022, a 100% increase in just 10 years. 10 years. While it might be difficult to physically store or buy raw materials, you can gain exposure to them through mining stocks, mutual funds focused on natural resources, or even commodities, futures, and options. Music becomes more dynamic, clear, knowledgeable. 3. Safe haven currencies. In today's world, fiat currencies are no longer backed by anything tangible, like gold. This makes geopolitical stability crucial when investing your money. This is why the wealthy often keep their money in Swiss banks. Switzerland is known for its strong economic system, making the Swiss franc a reliable, safe haven currency. For example, during the global financial crisis of 2008 and the Eurozone debt crisis in 2009, massive amounts of capital flowed into Swiss francs, preserving wealth from currency devaluation. Even recently, during the Russia-Ukraine conflict, Russia turned to the Swiss franc for international trade. When the demand for Swiss francs soared, it caused the value of the franc to appreciate dramatically. But not everyone can open a Swiss bank account. Luckily, there are currency ETFs and forex brokers, such as Forex.com, that let you invest in foreign currencies with as little as $100 transitions to a calm, steady beat, reassuring. 4. Sovereign guarantee. Now, let's talk about the stability of your money. If you've ever looked at a dollar bill, you've probably seen the words, "This note is legal tender for all debts, public and private." But what does that really mean? Since 1971, when the U.S. abandoned the gold standard, the dollar became valuable because it's backed by the full faith and credit of the U.S. government. Simply put, the stability of your money is tied to the stability of the government that issues it. One of the safest ways to invest in this stability is through government securities, like treasury bills.